Also, guys, what do we think about this situation? I don't know what came over me this morning, but I was like,
I'm gonna put a tiny bun on top of my head, so yeah, here we are.
hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video about how to be stylish and how to find your style on a budget. This is just something that I'm really interested in. Like, I love fashion, I love like trying different new things, looking at all like the interesting trends that you see on like Pinterest. I just combined Pinterest and Instagram. Could be a fun idea. There's gonna be some stuff that I have learned that I think you guys will like. This is all from trial and error, people, so hopefully gonna save you some of that yourself. I just want to say that for this video, like, I'm not trying to say that you have to like dress a certain way or that you have to like do these specific things to be stylish. These are just things that I personally like to use and I think that you guys might like as well, so that you can feel your best because you look, you know, like your inner self. You want to express yourself with your clothes, and I think that is ultimately what style is all about. So yeah. Okay, let's hop into this video. Okay, so my first tips are like styling tips. So basically, use the clothes and items that you already have and how to use them to your advantage. So basically, these are just like my first little tip is rolling up the legs of your pants. This probably sounds like really obvious to some people, but you'd be surprised how many people don't do this. And I know it's such like a small adjustment, but I swear it makes you look so different and like you look so like chic. I've never said that word before. I just think it makes you look so much more put together and like you put way more thought into your outfit. So yeah, basically if you're wearing jeans, especially skinny jeans, and if you're wearing shoes or like high tops, or if you're wearing something with like a little bit of heel on it, really anything, if there's any length at all on the edge of your jeans, roll them up at the bottom. So just for context, definitely if you're wearing like skinny jeans, I would roll them up at the bottom. But then if you have like more like boyfriend jeans kind of style and they have like that kind of like rugged edge, I guess, you don't really have to. Also, shout out to you if you know what these clips are from. Comment down below. You do not want to have that like weird scrunchiness going on, because that's just like why. My second tip for like working with the clothes that you already have in your closet is for your shirts. So basically tucking your shirts and also tying your shirts, because a shirt can look completely different depending on how you style it. So like if I'm wearing high-waisted pants, I like, and my shirt is not a crop top, I like to tuck it in the front and then like leave the back out a little bit. If you guys watch Queer Eye, it's a French tuck. Also, just like tying your shirts in front or on the side can like completely change the look and just add some more personality to what you're wearing, especially if it's a very like basic piece, like a white t-shirt or something like I'm wearing right now. It can just totally change your look, so I think that's definitely worth it to try out. Here's just a couple examples of like tucking in your shirt. It just makes you look a little more profesh. You put some more thought into your outfit and just makes it look a little more complete. Okay, number 3. This is a tip for finding your style, okay? So obviously I'm not like a certified expert, like I'm not like a stylist or anything. I've gone through many different stages of what I like to wear. When I was like 12 to 14, unfortunately. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Really cringy early days of like Tumblr girls. I was basically addicted to like anything in that realm, and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. And you know, like everyone goes through those weird like there's a bee in my room. I went off on a rant, but basically everyone goes through like phases of style. I feel like that's pretty normal. But I think that finding your like true style, the pieces of clothing that really represent you and your personality, is like, it's hard, but I think it's really important, because once you get there, you're like, wow, I feel so amazing wearing this. Like, this looks so good on me. It's just awesome. My tip for this is to find inspiration. And I know that sounds super general, but my absolute favorite thing ever is going on Pinterest. And I know that a lot of people are like,
well, Pinterest is for like blogs and like 40-year-old mothers who like want to look up cooking recipes, and
it's like, that's you, like, you go girl, like, get it. But honestly, I feel like Pinterest is one of the absolute best places for finding inspiration for style, for outfits, of how to put things together. I'm not suggesting that you copy anyone else's, because that is not your style, it's their style. But I think that it's like the best way to figure out what you love, and what really like speaks to you, is looking at other people's pictures, what other people wear, and saying, okay, well, I really like that skirt, or like this kind of like vibe, or this pattern, and then taking all of those components and meshing them together. That's your style. By the way, follow me on Pinterest. If you see a picture of an outfit and you're like, oh my god, like this picture makes me happy, you need to like take that as a cue that you want to dress like that. And you guys can really find inspiration anywhere. Like, if you guys saw my inspiration board video, like, this is a great way to also just inspire yourself and like find new ideas, new different kinds of outfits, maybe new makeup looks you want to try, and just really like look everywhere and find new things you want to test out. You might find you really love it. And this is just like a way that I've found that I've really discovered outfits and styles and pieces that really express my personality. The only way to find your style is to find out what you like and take that and implement it into your wardrobe. So yeah, that's super important. Number 4. This one is specifically like going with the theme of on a budget. Don't buy expensive trendy items. So what I mean by this is that, as I'm sure you guys know, there are trends in fashion like right now, like off the top of my head, scrunchies, high-waisted boyfriend jeans. There's like a ton of trends out there, and the thing with trends is, okay, I love them, but the reason that they're trends is that they change all of the time. Like, they're not going to be trendy if they've been around for like 100 years and have been stylish every single year. So basically, do not spend all of your money on trendy items, because they will go out of style, and then you'll just have this item that was like popular a month ago and now you can't wear it because it's like not in fashion. Of course, if that's like part of your style and you really still like it, you should definitely wear it. But if you're getting it because you're like, ooh, like this is fun, I like want to try it, or like this person really likes it, so maybe I will like it, don't spend your money on that. Just spend your money on more like classic pieces that will not go out of style, and supplement it with more like trendy items. And for stuff like this is really great. For like Forever 21, H&M, like they have those products that are still like, they're really trendy, but they're definitely more affordable. So yeah, don't spend all your money on trendy stuff. Whenever I like make like videos where I'm talking a lot, I literally get out of breath because I get so excited to talk about things. Yeah, that's not weird at all. Okay, number 5. Thrift stores are your friend. I'm sure you've heard this a lot, because actually thrift stores and like vintage stores are actually, well, they're trendy right now. Thrift stores are your friend because, first of all, they're great for your budget. They're going to have those items that will come back into style. So like going back to that trendy stuff, something that was popular, like, you know, like right now, stuff from the 90s is so popular. So if you go to a thrift store and find something from the 90s, boom, you have a trendy item that was actually from that era, is quality because it wasn't, you know, whatever at the time, and it's inexpensive, so it's perfect. When you're thrifting, I think thrifting is like so great for figuring out your style, because it's very unlikely that you will get something from a thrift store that someone else has. So they're definitely going to be unique, they're going to be inexpensive, and then also they're just going to have like the most variety, so you can really like test different things out and really find what works for you. Is about accessories. Do not forget about accessories and jewelry. I swear, until like basically last year, I don't know why, but like forgot jewelry was a thing. I just like never wore it because I like didn't have any necklaces. I like had one pair of earrings that I wore every single day, which is kind of gross. Jewelry is your friend. So like if you have an outfit and you're like, well, you know, like I like this, but it's like missing something, it's missing jewelry. I'm also going to link some of my favorite affordable accessories and items down below, so go check it out. So like adding the like jewelry or a pair of sunglasses or a hat, that is what is going to make your outfit feel complete. Okay guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope that you guys liked it, and if any of these tips help you, let me know down below because I would love to know. And please subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. I really want to get to 500 subscribers before I graduate from high school because that would be awesome. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!